365FarmNet ist ein Netzwerk aus
365FarmNet is a network of many agricultural businesses the farmer knows and who offer him their expertise. That way, he can basically manage his whole farm cross-segmentally and independent of its actual configuration, be it a pure crop farm or a mixed farm with grassland and livestock. As a farmer, I can configure this software individually to give me the ideal system. With a toolset of 365FarmNet, we are facilitating the farmer's business as quickly as possible. With a smart app and PC software, he can create the documentation, fulfill the requirements, and comply with the regulations. Almost all technical decisions are made by active farmers. In other words, they define, prioritize, and decide what is going to be developed and implemented. In a manner of speaking, a platform by farmers for farmers. In the future, we will continue to work with intelligent partners and try to connect the industry expertise so that the farmers receive an extreme output in functionality and decision-making tools, which will support him in every situation. When I adopted 365FarmNet, an employee stood by my side and supported me during my first steps. This is something I have never experienced before with software installation. For me, the change was that the chaotic paperwork ended, that now I have one software for everything, and that this software is always at hand, be it in the office, on the iPad or on the smartphone, wherever I am. 365FarmNet is a revolution of farm organization. Digitization can be compared with a step into mechanization. Ultimately, new technologies are applied in agriculture. This creates the opportunity to increase the yields of the available lands whilst being environmentally friendly with regards to soil, animal health, and the available resources at the same time. Through automated documentation, we save the farmer a great deal of time he would have to spend on the subsequent appraisal of what has been happening on the farm. In other words, all those office hours in the evenings and on the weekend can be spent differently.